just got back from my buddy's house, and this is my haul. We got driver's side rocker cover. This one's in a little bit better shape. We had some breaks in ours, so that's gonna improve a little bit of appearance inside. We picked up an end cap we needed for the rear. Of course, the main thing we were going for was this section of floor, which looks pretty bad on this side, but is a lot better on the inside. So that's really just cosmetic, but it's good and solid. He had a trailer hitch sitting around he didn't need, so we picked that up off of him. We don't really plan to tow with this Jeep. We're not going to have it a long time. I do like having a trailer hitch for the utility there, put a bike rack in it. You know, if you need to tow a trailer or something, it's great to have. It also is a very easy thing to toss on the back to have a recovery point in the rear. So I absolutely love having a trailer hitch. I think every Jeep ought to have it just for the utility that you're going to get with it. So picked up a trailer hitch. I took the passenger seat out of his most recent parts Jeep, and it is nasty. I mean, just basically not usable. Now I'm going to pressure wash it and see if I can get any good out of this, because the only thing I'm really interested in is the upper half of this seat. And if this will clean up nicely, I can still use this and reassemble the seat and have a little improvement in it, if that'll clean up nice. We don't know. It was free. He didn't need the seat. I got nothing to lose except the fact that now I got to throw it away. One of the big things that we did pick up for him and actually paid him for was this bumper. So his latest parts Jeep had this bumper. It's seen a little bit of weathering. There's a little bit of rust going on it, but we're going to hit it with the pressure washer, clean it up, a little bit of wire brush, and then we'll get out and we'll repaint it, and we'll put it out in the sun to cure. And it had a winch on it. He kept the winch, so we're just not going to have a winch on this Jeep. But adding this bumper up here will kind of improve the overall aesthetic of it, make it a little bit more off-road ready. So that's the haul of parts we got. All in all, not too bad of a day, and didn't cost me that much because I got the friend discount.